Imagine checking your mail and finding an envelope from the Internal Revenue Service. It is normal to feel a little bit of worry or confusion when you see that familiar logo. But before you jump to conclusions, let us break down exactly what that letter means and what you should do. If you received an Internal Revenue Service letter about your taxes, it typically means there is a specific question or issue regarding your tax return, account, or identity. These letters are generally not random and requiring your attention and often a response. One of the most common reasons is a simple math error on your tax return. Sometimes, the numbers just do not add up, or a calculation was slightly off. Another frequent cause is missing or incorrect information. Perhaps a Form W-2 or a Form 1099 was not reported correctly, or you forgot to include a statement from an investment account. Discrepancies in income reporting are also common, where the income reported to the Internal Revenue Service by third parties, like your employer or a bank, does not match what you reported on your return. Occasionally, a letter might alert you to potential identity theft, meaning someone may have used your Social Security number to file a fraudulent return. Finally, you might receive a letter because you owe additional tax, either due to an underpayment during the year, an adjustment made by the Internal Revenue Service, or penalties and interest on a balance due. Understanding these core reasons is the first step to confidently addressing the situation. So, what should you do when one of these letters arrives? First and foremost, do not panic. Open it calmly and read the entire letter thoroughly. Pay close attention to the letter number, which usually starts with a CP or LT, as this code identifies the type of issue. Look for a response deadline. Most letters will give you a specific time frame to reply. Next, gather all relevant documents, including your original tax return, any supporting statements, and previous correspondence from the Internal Revenue Service. If the letter is clear and you understand the issue, you can often resolve it by providing the requested information or correcting a simple error. However, if anything seems unclear, or if you believe the Internal Revenue Service is incorrect, do not hesitate to seek help from a qualified tax professional. It is important to know that not all mail from the Internal Revenue Service is created equal. The term notice typically refers to more routine communications, often informational, like confirmation of a payment or a change to your account. A letter, however, usually indicates a more substantive issue requiring a specific action or response from you. Addressing these letters promptly is crucial because delays can lead to additional penalties or interest, making the situation more complex and costly. By calmly reading and understanding your Internal Revenue Service letter, identifying the core reason, and taking swift, informed action, you can avoid unnecessary stress and potential financial complications. This proactive approach ensures you maintain compliance and confidently navigate your tax obligations, ultimately securing your financial well-being.